Morlice is developing a system to monitor and protect animals around the tidal stream turbines as part of the commitment to safeguard marine wildlife in this area. This is being done through the Morlice Environmental Monitoring and Mitigation Plan. A sonar video imaging system will be mounted above each turbine rotor. It can detect the movements of animals nearby, even in poor visibility or nighttime conditions, and it has been successfully used at other tidal energy sites across the UK. Alongside the sonars, passive acoustic monitors will be used to detect vocalizations. Cameras will help to identify the different animal species and to validate the sonar data. The focus for the first stage is on marine mammals, but the system will also be used to detect seabirds. Software will link the sonar system to an acoustic deterrent device, which can receive an automatic signal to keep animals away from devices if necessary. Alongside this groundbreaking technology, environmental monitoring will be used to observe animal presence and behaviour throughout the year in the Morlice zone. This includes passive acoustic monitors on the seabed, boat and drone-based surveys, and tagging of seals and birds. The system on the turbines will initially be in monitoring mode, as evidence from other tidal stream projects suggests that marine mammals can successfully navigate around turbines. However, if a collision is suspected to have occurred, mitigation measures will be put in place. The acoustic deterrent device will emit a noise signal to keep the animal at a safe distance, but will not exclude them from their wider habitat. Morlice is leading the way with its advanced research and technology to record and safeguard potential impacts on local marine wildlife. The work will contribute to our wider scientific understanding and unlock tidal energy consents in Wales, the UK and beyond.